blissful, extremely happy and full of joy. Example: she felt blissful after winning the race. Jealous, feeling envious of someone else's success or happiness. Example: he was jealous when he saw his friend with a new car. Aloof, distant or not interested in others. Example: he was aloof at the party and didn't talk to anyone. Distraught, extremely worried or upset. Example: she was distraught when she lost her favorite book. Astonished, greatly surprised or amazed. Example: they were astonished by the magician's performance. Dreadful, very bad or unpleasant. Example: the weather was dreadful, with rain pouring all day. Astounded, extremely surprised or shocked. Example: I was astounded when I heard the news about the surprise party. Disheartened, feeling discouraged or losing hope. Example: he was disheartened after failing the exam. Vague, unclear or not specific. Example: her explanation was vague and didn't help much. Impatient, unable to wait or lacking patience. Example: she was impatient for her food to arrive and kept checking the clock.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.